Hi, this is part 5 in a series of videos documenting the engine rebuild on my 944. In this video, I will be replacing the balance shaft bearings, installing the shafts, housing, cover, and seals. Welcome to 944 Restore. To get to the bearings in the front covers, the seal and race must first be removed. The front bearings are one piece and pressed in. I remove them by heating up the cover and then driving them out with a 32mm seal driver. I first attempted to drive in the new bearings using a seal driver, but I ended up destroying the bearings instead. I decided to build a simple press using a 34 and 30mm fitting for my seal driver. I left the bearings in the freezer overnight to help with installation. It took some time, but the makeshift bearing press worked great. The same steps apply for the lower balance shaft cover. I have an early model 944, but the balance shaft covers are the later style with the bearing bridge. The first step to installing the shafts is to install the half shell bearings and apply assembly lube. Apply some engine oil to the O-ring and slide it over the cover. Also apply some engine oil to this O-ring and slide it onto the lock ring. Install the other half of the bearing to the engine block and apply assembly lube. Apply some assembly lube to the shaft and place it into the engine block. There is a number stamped on the bridge. This needs to face towards the front of the engine. Install the bearing bridge and torque down the nuts. After torquing down the nuts, make sure the shaft spins freely. To install the housing, first place a bead of Loctite 574 to where the housing will make contact with the block. Place the lock ring at the back of the balance shaft. Insert all the bolts, but don't tighten them yet. For the lower balance shaft, there's a power steering bracket that's installed with the housing. The front cover needs to be installed, but not bolted, before the housing bolts are torqued down. This ensures everything is aligned correctly. The smaller 10mm bolts are only torqued to 6 foot-pounds. The larger 13mm bolts are torqued down in 2 stages to 15 foot-pounds. Same process for the upper housing. Install the bolts and torque down the front cover. On the lower balance shaft, there are 2 bolts in the back for the power steering bracket. Now install the Mylar seal. Apply some assembly lube all over the race and install it next. For the oil seal, add oil to the inside sealing surface and install. I used a 36mm socket and hammered it in. The lower and upper balance shafts use a different size seal. Make sure the larger one is for the lower and the smaller one is for the upper balance shaft. Gently hammer in the keyway. At this point, the balance shaft should spin freely. My lower balance shaft did not. It ended up being related to the power steering bracket. I had to back out the bolt securing the bracket, and once I did this, the shaft would spin freely. I realigned the bracket and retorqued the bolts. Repeat the process for the upper balance shaft. I didn't have any issues with this one. And that's it for the balance shafts. Thanks for watching, and if you want to be updated on the progress of this rebuild, please hit the subscribe button. In the next part of the series, I will be installing the water pump and the water cooler.